Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed doing your research on your country, your continent, or your city. Once you have all your notes done, it's time for you to get started on your final project. So this is just kind of a basic introductory to PowerPoint. I really think you'll kind of pick it up after you kind of play around with it. So just want to show you how to get there. So when you go to TP Library Symbaloo, we have this icon here for you for your Office 365 account. What you'll need to do is you'll need to log into your account. Mine already is up, so you'll need your username and password, and then when you get that open, you'll click on PowerPoint. When you click on PowerPoint, you can do all these different themes. I'm just going to go ahead and do blank. And then it automatically pulls up just a slide right here. So I can go ahead and write my title, which I went ahead and researched Paris, and then I can write who it's by. So here's my first slide. It's pretty lame, so I would probably want to insert a photo. So I could pick a photo from the computer, or I can pick an online photo. So I'm going to go to Bing here and type in, oops, my cursor, type in Paris and pick a photo. I just click on it, then I hit insert. Once you've inserted it, you'll notice it's kind of right in the middle. And then they've added this feature called the designer, so you can design your slides here. And it kind of gives you some suggestions on how to better make your PowerPoint. So once again, there is, if you click on design here, it brings you to those fun themes that you had at the very beginning, so if you want to change it up. What I always recommend to students at the beginning is, before you start playing around with all the color palette and everything, first get your information, then you can go back and edit this. So I want to insert another slide. So how I do that is go to insert, I click on new slide, and then it has all these different ones that pop up. You can pick blank and then add your own text box here, and video, or not video, well, you can add video, or a photo here, and then just kind of make your own design. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, title and content. You do need to include an introduction. So here I'm going to write introduction, and then I can type up my introduction about Paris here. So then I have here, I can just have, I want it to appear, or I want it to fade in, fly in. These are animations and transitions that you can add. Once again, another fun thing you can experiment with. So also, not that one. Go to insert, I'm going to hit a new slide, and then I'm going to hit to content, because I want to talk to you about the history in Paris. So I type history. Here I can go ahead and start writing my information. If I need to, I can put it in bullet form, or if I want to write it in paragraphs. So it's depending on how you want to do it. Then over here I can click on a photo from Bing again, or I can click on photos that I'm saving to the computer. So it's your choice. If ever you mess up the order, see how I can easily change the order of my slide there? So if you want to change up the order for how you have it planned, and then if you want to see the view, you can go here and hit from the beginning, and it'll bring you your slide, and then you hit the arrows, and then you can move on to the next one. When you want to get out of this, just hit escape. It brings you to this, and then I hit escape once more, and then it brings me back to editing. So go ahead and play around with it. I know you're all capable and you're smart enough that you can figure out the cool things that PowerPoint can do, but this is just the basic introduction for how to get started. Enjoy, and I can't wait to see what you create.